Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the rear chain guide from Primary Drive. So the chain guide on a motorcycle, it's one of those parts that takes a lot of abuse. In fact, I've seen these get pretty beat up on motorcycles, and if you ask me, I think it's just one of those parts that actually gets overlooked a little too often. They can get bent out of shape. I've even seen riders use theirs for so long that they start to wear through the plastic rub guard until it gets down to the metal, and at that point, you can be doing damage to your chain. So if yours is in pretty bad shape, it's time to replace it. You're looking for a good replacement, one that's going to be super strong, a lot more durable than stock, and also at a really good price point. Well, this one from Primary Drive has got you covered. So if we talk about construction, the aluminum is 4.5 millimeters thick. It's anodized. It's also been heat treated, which makes it much stronger than stock. Now the rub blocks, what's cool about these is these are made from UHMW, which stands for ultra high molecular weight. So it's a very hard, very durable plastic material. So that's going to give you a lot of wear life when it comes to your chain rubbing on this. But what's cool is after you have this mounted up, okay, and when it comes to mounting, it's just going to use your factory holes. It comes with hardware included. So just take your stock chain guide off, install this one. But if you do wear out the rub blocks, okay, these that do come included, you can pick these up separate and just replace those and freshen everything up. And there it is. That is the rear chain guide coming from Primary Drive. We have these for a lot of different bikes, so when you're picking yours up, they're machine specific. So enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you are going to be good to go. To grab yours, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember that orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight video, you want to see more like it, well, do not miss out and click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.